Welcome to the splendid world of Law 46. Never appear too perfect. The reality is, bursting with brilliance can design a rift between you and those who dwell in mediocrity. Imagine striding into a room like a celestial being, while others cower under the shadow of your radiance. But remember, there's wisdom in subtlety and a certain charm in humility. To illustrate our point, let's conjure the image of Sir Walter Raleigh, a true marvel of his time. He strolled through Queen Elizabeth's court with an air of confidence that turned envious jaws into clenched teeth. Folks labeled him arrogant, which is simply the bitter fruit of envy. The lesson here: it's often beneficial to cloak one's brilliance with a mere whisper, rather than a thunderous declaration. Consider the tantalizing tale of Cosimo de' Medici, a master of discretion. This guy possessed wealth that could drown nations, yet he chose to don garb resembling a humble traveler. Wandering about on foot, he was skilled at blending in, all while supporting public projects, transforming himself into the benevolent Santa Claus of his time. While his fortune swirled invisibly around him, he remained endearing and relatable, a reminder that true power can cloak itself in modesty. Yet, walking this delicate line isn't without risks. Remember that Gracian's wisdom is akin to navigating through a minefield. Recognizing the power of a slight imperfection can lead observers to overlook deeper faults. However, tip the scales too far toward the humble persona without depth, and skeptics will dig for truth. Be cautious. A revealing confessional can provide your enemies with the perfect stones to cast your way. In conclusion, my cunning acolytes, the journey of maintaining an aura of intrigue without appearing as the epitome of perfection is paramount. As complex as sleuthing through a haunted house, it requires finesse and strategy. Dance with envy, displaying your finest deceptions while focusing on the subtle art of influence. When navigated skillfully, the climb to the pinnacle of greatness can feel effortless and natural, just like an evening spent scheming with delightful mischief. Remember, true wisdom lies in thriving amidst competition while keeping your cards close to your chest.
Let's be real, nobody's out here hugging trees. But that doesn't mean we don't care about the planet. With I'm Not a Tree Hugger, you can rock eco-friendly gear all while staying true to your sassy self. Who says saving the earth has to be boring? Not us. Shop now at pissroff.com and save the planet without losing your edge.
Like and subscribe for more exciting videos.